Welcome to the course on Excel. Here we'll see about the topics how to get started with Excel, how to present the data properly, and working with formulas in a very broad manner. Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Let's start with the course. Today we are going to see about the introduction. In introduction, we'll see what is Excel used for, basic terms used in Excel, how to navigate any cells and rows, what is ribbon, and how to create your first Excel. Let's see what Excel is used for. The Excel is used for number crunching. What number crunching means is creating budgets, analyze surveys, and analyze other data, kind of financial data or marketing data or any data. Second point is creating charts. You can use wide variety of highly customized charts using Excel. Then we can use for organizing lists. You can use any data in an organized manner as rows and columns and store it as lists and tables. Accessing data from other sources. This is one of the best properties of Excel. Wherever you keep the data, you can change and load it into the Excel and do the analysis here. This will provide the vast range of application and provide you with excellent opportunities to analyze the data. Creating graphical dashboards. Here you can use graphical designs such as charts, tables in a very presentable manner, and it helps you in presenting the analysis very in a easy manner. Automation of complex tasks. Here Excel provides excellent opportunity to provide and automate the complex tasks. Basic terms used in Excel. Let's start from the first one, row number. Here you can see where the row number comes from. So here you can use up to 10 lakh data easily. After that you have to use CSV formats. I'll explain later in the video regarding all those steps. Name box. Here name box denotes where the cell, which cell was chosen. File button. Here it will be used for saving, opening other files. Quick access toolbar. Here you can use for quick access toolbar. You can add multiple options from the ribbons and place it in the quick access toolbar. Column letter. Same as row number, there is column letter. Here you have around 232 columns applicable, and you can have the data of 232 columns. Tab list. This is where the most of the options comes from. So all the options will be available in the tab list. Title bar. It denotes what format of Excel is used and the name of the Excel. Minimize ribbon. Minimize ribbon is to make sure if you want to have more space for editing the Excel, you can minimize the ribbon and you can proceed. Help. This will provide all the helps and the manuals will be available in the help. Application minimize. As you all know, it is used for minimizing this particular Excel sheet. Application maximize and minimize. So this is like minimize. This is like maximizing or minimizing the application. Window maximize restore. This is like a normal maximize minimize activity. Application close. This is closing of an application, Excel application. This is usual as you use for other applications as well. Sheet tab scroll button. Here you can use multiple sheets. You can use up to 32 sheets in a particular Excel. So you can create how many number of sheets and you can scroll using the scroll button. Macro reader. Here you can write multiple VBA codes and you can run multiple application tools here so that you can automate stuffs. Active cell indicator. There will be a block when you choose any cell or row having active cell indicator. As you can see, there will be a darker box there. Insert worksheet button. Here there will be a plus available, so you can on clicking you can create new worksheet. Formula bar. Here you can view the formula used in the particular cell. Ribbon. Ribbon is a place where you can see multiple options of operations used in Excel. Vertical scroll bar. Here this will be used for scrolling the rows, and you can see the data till the end. Horizontal scroll bar is exactly opposite. You can see multiple columns using horizontal scroll bar. Page view buttons, this will help you in viewing the page. Status bar, it provides the viewing capability, and it shows multiple options so that you can zoom, you can close the windows, and you can have multiple view page here in status bar. I think I have covered basic terms of Excel in this slide. Next, move to how to navigate any cell. So let's get into an Excel file. Here you can see there is two way of using an Excel. Here you can navigate through keyboard. You can use the up button, down button, right button, left button, and you can navigate it. And then you can use mouse to navigate anywhere in the cell. For example, you can choose this. You can choose anywhere in the Excel. You can scroll down and use. You can do multiple options using scroll bar. You can drag multiple cells using mouse, or you can choose multiple cells using shift plus the navigation toolbar. Then next slide we'll see about ribbons. So as I said, ribbons consist of maximum values. Here you can see all the options in the Excel will be available through ribbons, and you can choose the tabs for choosing different ribbons. As you can see multiple number of options available in the ribbons, so you can choose and perform your operations which is necessary for you. The next slide is how to create your own first Excel file. So this I have already opened. Maybe I'll try to start from the beginning. You can choose, go, type Excel. You can find an Excel available here. Just give a click and you can show the Excel. Here, if you go to the file, this is one way of opening an Excel. The other way of opening any Excel is go to the file. You can choose open. Then you can open any Excel from the document, from your Word file. Thanks for watching. See you in next slide.